Welcome, today for the new Realme 10 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just here to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher, and after that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. To use the password we should just enter it here. If you want to see it, just click to this cross eye icon and you'll see then the password to have some mistakes. For example, I'll enter it out of screen. So now we just should tap on the right upper corner to this done icon, and now our device successfully connected to this network. You can select more networks, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you'll switch between them. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi we should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi we should click on this icon, and if you want to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.